Good afternoon, everybody. Happy 4th of July. Just wanted to go over another California safe pistol roster pistol. This is the SIG Sauer sp2022 9mm. They also make it in a 40. But this is another very safe California type pistol. But it's only safe because it's on the roster. If it wasn't on the roster, this would not be a safe pistol. Very underrated. Polymer. Very close to the same size and design style as the 229. I know a lot of people like to compare it to the 226, but it's closer to the 229 in my opinion. Anyway, another safe California pistol, because you can only have safe pistols in California.